Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to use classic filters effect in Audacity. So first let's select this audio and listen it. So I click play button to show you what is it. I'm testing this microphone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is my recording. So if I would like to edit it, I need to go to Effect tab and then I need to go to Legacy, and here we can find classic filter settings. So I choose this option. And here we can adjust filter type, subtype, order and cutoff, and it should be set to these values on default. I don't recommend to change these values because on default it is really optimal. So if you would like to apply changes, you need to click apply button, and after that effect will be successfully applied to your track. So let's play it again and check how it works. I'm testing this microphone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how you see the effect is really interesting. So I recommend you to test this effect in your projects in Audacity. If this tutorial was helpful for you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.